पर आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कंसेप्ट ऑफ OSI मॉडल। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करें। दी ओपन सिस्टम इंटरकनेक्शन OSI is most commonly used protocol in network communication. The OSI model was first released in 1984 by the International Standards Organization. It describes the data transmission procedure in the form of 7 layers. It explains how information is sent through a sender to a receiver and also describe different stages where information takes different form through the laying architecture of 7 layers. The OSI model consists of 7 layers, each corresponding to be a specific network function. The 7 layers are physical data link, network, transport, session, presentation and application. Physical layer is concerned with the bit stream that is transmitted over the physical medium. It deals with electrical, mechanical, and timing specification of the interface and transmission medium. It also defines the functional and pro- uh, procedural procedural specification of the medium. The physical layer is hardware specific and prescribe procedure and functions for dealing hardware over the network. It also deals with physical characteristics of medium, data rate, synchronization and line configuration and physical topology of network. Layer data link layer. Layer 2 data link layer. The data link layer is responsible for the transmission of data over the network. It receives message from upper layer and assemble into form data layer. Layer converts these frames into bits of communication over the network. It also receives the bit at the other and reconverts into the frames. The data link layer has other functions as well, such as physical addressing, error flow and access control for a single link between network nodes. Layer network layer. Layer 3 network layer. The network layer is responsible for delivery of message from source to destination. Destination, it deals with routing of message by translating logical address into the physical address. It determines the path of the data on the basis of network environment, urgency of server and other factors. It's also magnetics, traffic flow and associated problem on the network, such as switching to routing and congestion of data. The network layer handles prior routing and packets filtration using the logical addressing mechanism. आज तक इतना ही, नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं नए टॉपिक के साथ।